What species of bees live at Weaver Lake Elementary?
Importance of bees. All bees are important for pollinating because they pollinate 1/3 of the foods we eat, and if there was no pollen, then we would not have fruit or veggies because bees get their food source from pollen and nectar.
Some other pollinators are
Some of the pollinators are flies. They pollinate sweet peppers, strawberries, goldenrods, mangoes, avocados, carrots, cocoa trees, and butterflies pollinate wildflowers. Moths pollinate jasmine, honeysuckle, evening primrose, sweet rocket, and beetles pollinate mangolas and spicebush, hummingbirds, and bats.
native bees.
Here are kinds of honeybees and reasons why they're important. These bees are native to Minnesota: sweat bee, adrenaide, collecticade, aptaide, and leaf-cutting bees. And they are important because they can help stabilize honeybee population, and honeybees effectively pollinate lots of flowers and are very important.
Our investigation.
Bee trapping and lab identification.
Procedures.
First, we caught the bee by using a cup, and we had to place a cup on the flower the bee was on and place the cap on the cup. Next, we sketched the bee, and when we were done, Miss Jutton took them to the lab and froze them. Then, we pinned the bees by sticking a pin in the underwing area and took a picture. Last, we identified them by looking at the facts about them, and we found out that we had a honeybee.
Results.
We found our class altogether had 8 bumblebees and 8 honeybees. The whole grade altogether caught 34 bumblebees, 21 honeybees, 3 metallic green bees, 2 Seratina bees, 1 sweat bee, 1 melisidosis bee, 1 megachile, 1 fly, 1 flower fly, and 1 collecticade. The bee types doubled this year than last year.
Threats to pollinators.
Mites and loss of habitat. Mites, they suck bees' blood and circulate viruses. Loss of habitat. If they have no home, they can't make honey, or the bee can't lay eggs, and they can die with no home.
Advocacy.
Here's what you can do, and here's why it's important. You can plant bee-friendly plants in your garden and yard, or you cannot use chemicals in your yard, lawn, or garden. And tell people you know to do the same thing. Plant flowers like lavender, bee balm, coneflower, aster, or barge. And don't spray chemicals like pesticides. Why? Because the bee population is going down and we need bees to pollinate. By Janiya and Gaohli.
Credit.